We just got a customer that drove a long way to bring this Insignia tablet. This is about a 9-10-inch tablet. Customer said she wants the charging port fixed on this tablet. Now the tablet itself does not cost much. I do not know how much they are going for, but they are pretty cheap. Customer said it's very important that she has this fixed, and that's what we're gonna do. Do not argue with the customer. Customer drove a long way and she wants to wait for the tablet. It's hard for her to drive back and then come to pick up and then drive back again. I told the customer I will give this tablet a priority. I will work on it right now. Just go for about an hour to a nearby mall or something and then come and pick up after an hour. So hopefully we are able to help out the customer. Let's take the board apart. So this is the charging port right here. And let's take a look at the charging port under the microscope, just to confirm that we have a problem. Oh yeah, the charging port is messed up. Okay, so what I want to do is check to see if we have a similar charging port in stock. We have a lot of charging ports here, and sometimes we just have to manually check which one looks similar. Okay, let's check this one here. Actually, no, this is not the same. And what about this one? This is it. It looks extremely similar. Yeah, that's it. Now, one thing that is worrying me is that burn smell. I do not know if there was a short of any type that caused other damage to the board, because when I'm applying solder onto the joints, I smell this bad burn smell. So hopefully the charging port will fix the problem, unless there's something else wrong with the board. I mean, the charging port is pretty damaged. I currently have the temperature at 350 degrees. I got a viewer that posted a comment on yesterday's video, the Samsung T350 charging port replacement, and he said in India the price is $5 to change the charging port. In the US it's $85. Big difference. Wow, $5. I mean, you have to think about it. Average salary in India is between $200 to $300 a month. It's very difficult for anybody to pay $85 to get any device fixed. But $5, that's way too low. In California here, for example, on average, rent is about $2,000. How many $5 it would take to pay the $2,000 rent? That's not counting food, clothes, internet, cell phone, insurance, gas, clothes, kids. We make more money here, but we have a lot more expenses. But $5 is still way too low, way too low. I mean, it's not much about the cost of the part, but it's the service. And then we have to keep in mind that if the customer comes back with the same issue within 60 days, we have to do that job again at no charge. It's very rare that somebody would come back for the same repair that we did, but that's why we provide 60 days warranty. In case of any issues, customer can always come back, no questions asked. So let's grab this charging port and see if it fits. Perfect fit. Wow, perfect fit. The last time I used this port was for the Lenovo Tab 2. In this box here, we have about 25 different types of charging ports, and those charging ports, they work on a variety of devices. Now, I have them labeled here based on which charging port worked on which device. Now, as you know, we will be selling this box with components. We're not gonna be just including 25 different type of charging ports. We're gonna be including 100 different type of charging ports. Some of the charging ports, we do not even know what devices they fix, but we will find that out as time go by. We have a lot of interest and a lot of requests for this box, and that's why we are doing it. We have a huge order from China for every single port. In the future, we're gonna have a huge database of what port fixes what device. So let's say you bought the box and you got like a Samsung baby monitor device that needs a charging port replacement. You're gonna be looking in all 100 compartments to find the port that fits that baby monitor device. Once you find it, then we can start sharing information with each other. Maybe we post it under a certain YouTube video, so we grow that list of what port fixes what device. The area is tight, but it's okay. Very good. We're gonna flip the board. That's the customer. She's checking if her tablet is ready. I told her 15 to 20 minutes in case we have to do any adjustments. Okay, very good. Just want to add a little bit more solder here. Okay, so we're gonna put this back together and hope for the best. I'm gonna put the board back. And we're gonna test to see if this tablet will charge or will even power on. Anything? Oh, okay. Tablet is being charged at 0.7 amps, and yes, it's working. Great. I'm gonna quickly put this together and call the customer to come and pick up. She's desperately waiting, and she wanna go back home. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on that bell icon next to the subscribe button if you want to be notified when we have a new video. Leave a comment if you have any questions. We have a lot of other things to get done. So I'll see you again in the next video.